Hi, my name is George Taveras. I'm in section 3 of the Fundamentals of Physics class, and the experiment that I'm going to be conducting today is called Same Speed, where I'm going to take this paper and this book, and I'm going to drop them and see what happens. Now, I'm going to be doing two separate drops. The first drop, I'm going to drop them separately at the same height and see which one falls faster. Now, in theory, the book is supposed to fall faster because the paper is going to be encountering more air resistance than the book does because of the upward force is going to be greater than the downward force. So let's try that one. Now, as you saw, the theory was correct. The book fell first. Now, the second drop is going to be the paper on the book. So I'm going to put the paper on the book and drop them at the same time. And since the area of the book is bigger than the paper itself, the paper is not going to be encountering any air resistance, so they'll be able to fall at the same speed. So let's try that one. As you saw, the theory was correct. Now, the different laws that were acting during this experiment were the law of gravity, which says that everything falls at a rate of 9.8 meters a second, no matter what size it is, which ties into a part of Newton's second law of motion, which says that the ratio of weight to mass is the same for all falling objects. So that basically just means that if there was no air resistance, everything in the world, when dropped from the same height, would fall and hit the ground at the same time. So another force that was acting during this experiment was the force of air resistance, which is an upward force on a downward falling object. This has been my podcast for Fundamentals of Physics, and peace.